It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day and day 5 in La Jolla Shores. Yesterday, gully washer. We got a lot of rain and a lot of wind, and I tossed and turned all night thinking that this garden was going to be down at the foot of the down the hill. But look, everything held up beautifully.
Tell them what fell over.
We didn't have any casualties. We did have a aloe ferox that tipped a little bit, but that was an easy fix. They dug it deeper and, added a piece of rubble and, got it all straightened out. But that was it. I mean, everything else just did great. The podocarpus shed a lot more leaves, which we were able to clean up. So today we got done with the lights. We got done with most of the irrigation, got most of the lines buried, and we're starting with the rock. This is California Gold 3/8. This was my choice to offset the podocarpus leaf. See the little leaf?
You can barely see it.
Yeah, you can barely see it. So it should be, pretty easy work to keep this looking good. That's the plan anyway. So,
may need adjusted. Okay.
Yeah.
So Daddy's looking at the lights. It's okay.
Yeah. We have to come in here tomorrow and do a little blowing and raking, and then we're going to lay down some fresh DG. Some of the paper, you can see the weed barrier fabric is exposed. That's typical, after a period of time. So we'll make sure that's all covered up and all the DG is fluffed. Then we're going to do, and Vivi did this.
Happy New Year. I won't see you in 2 years.
Oh, Merry Christmas, darling. I love you.
Love you back.
Love you. Thank you so much for today. This is just the agave. Are these Victorias or Ferdinands? I don't even know for sure.
Victoria Ferdinand.
Victoria non-compact.
Yeah, not compact, but Victorias. Okay, very good. Don't forget this, whoever wanted them.
I think Mel and Cav are going to fight over them.
Okay, Mel and Kevin are going to fight over them. So Blonde Terry came in to help today along with Viv. And Miguel came today to help. We needed some extra hands, and Terry did some tapestry work in some key areas that's just so pretty. Just so pretty. Again, giant property. We still have to do the back. We don't want to overplant and create a maintenance problem, so we're being really specific about areas where we go a little crazy, where we're being a little ambitious. We've got a blue glow in here and a mangave kaleidoscope. That's going to be so great when it gets its legs. Love that. So this area through here will be DG, and then the flanks tomorrow will be done in the 3/8. We took a whole basket of rubble and scattered that around too, which really helps break it up a little bit. If you want to dial in your planting a little, add more rocks. Okay, so over here, my favorite part of the yard is this, which I didn't even do. But it's so beautiful. I just love this. And the client has agreed to allow the Diamondia to live over here. We took it out in the front, but I just thought it looked so pretty. And it's not going to impact the irrigation. The irrigation's going to be left alone over here anyway. So why not? We'll run our 3/8 gravel, right up to the edge of it. It's just going to be really pretty, and it's going to be very, very soft. So yes, we repurposed the Kalanchoe bayorensis. That was somewhere else, and added, some really pretty, beautiful plants, added some more rocks, brought in a yard of soil to put in here. Then in the front, this is going to be a little tricky to show, but oh yes, look at the ocean. That's La Jolla. Just so gorgeous. And from the second level, the client's deck, it's a really beautiful view of the ocean as well. We added a couple of more boulders in here, and we're going to bring in a couple of big flagstone for egress from cars. And this will be in 3/8, and we'll bring the DG down and end it right about here. So this will all be DG up here where the blue flames are. And it's just gonna look like a shiny penny, really. I mean, when we're done, I'm just so thrilled with this. Really, it's just so exciting. So, bye, Miguel. Thank you. So, yeah, thank you all so much for your enthusiasm and for following along, and you know, for all of your great comments. So thrilled to share this with you, and we will be back tomorrow with the grand reveal. So be sure and stay tuned. Be sure and let me know what your questions might be or comments down below. Thanks for subscribing. This has been Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity, reporting from La Jolla with Team DFS in day 5, and your succulent tip of the day. Bye, guys.